Hello everyone, welcome to Car Dealership Data Analysis project. In this project, we have 5 different tasks. So our first task is to update sales worksheet with base prices. Use a lookup function example we look for index match to populate the base prices for all cars models in the sales worksheet. Reference another sheet containing the list of car models and their corresponding base prices to perform the lookup. Let's open our Excel file. So price list worksheet contains model and their base prices. And in sale prices, we have to fill the base price. So we will use VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. Our lookup value will be car model 3, that is A4, and our lookup table will be from price list. We will select entire data, and column index will be 2 because we want value of base price, and range lookup will be exact match, so we will use false. And we have to fix the this table array, so we will add dollar sign in front of A and 1 and in front of B and 50. We hit enter. By double clicking, we will apply it for all the rows. Now let's back to our sheet. So our next task is to calculate the final car price. In the sales worksheet, calculate the final price for each car sold by adding the base price to the accessory price. So for total price, we have to do is equal to C4 plus D4. By double clicking, we will apply it for all. You can say for all rows. Now our third task is to insert date and month. At the top of sales worksheet, enter today's date and the current month. This entry serves as a record of when the sales data was last updated. So for the date, we have formula code will be today. For month, we will use is equal to text, and our value will be today, and format text will be MMMM. So it is October. Now our next task is to analyze sales data in a new worksheet. Calculate the total number of cars sold for each model. Okay, the total sales generated, the sales of accessories made by each salesman. Summarize these findings in a bar chart comparing the total sales across car models. Okay, so first we calculate the total number of cars sold for each model. We will create a pivot table. First we select the data and we going to insert pivot table in the new worksheet. Okay, so here we select the model and the you can say, I guess we have to calculate the total number of cars sold. So we will give model and we will give count of models, so it will give me the number of unique models. Now we can do one thing. Total number of cars sold. We rename it total number of car sold, and car model. Now next we have total sales generated. So we can do we can give total price in values and sum of, so we get the total sales generated. So for each model we have the total sales value, and this is the complete total. Now our next task is to the sales of accessories made by each salesman. So for this we have to create a new pivot table. Let me rename this worksheet as pivot. Now we select the data, insert pivot table in our existing sheet in pivot, and here, okay. Now we rows to salesman, salesman to rows, and our accessories to the values. Now our rows label will be salesman, and sales of accessories. Some of accessories will be sales of accessories. Now we have to summarize these findings in a bar chart comparing the total sales across car models. Okay, so we have to calculate the bar chart for this pivot table. We'll go to insert and create a bar chart. So now we will remove the legend. You can add access titles and chart titles. We will give total sales generated. Here it is car model, and here it is total sales. Now our next task is to calculate loan installments. In the loans worksheet, implement a formula to calculate monthly installment payments for customers. Assume a fixed interest rate and that monthly installments are paid at the start of each month. Okay, so we are on loan worksheet. We have to calculate the installment. So for installment, we have the function called PMT. Here our rate is annual rate is 9%. So B4, I'm sorry, B3 divide by 12. So we get the monthly interest rate. Number of periods will be our duration is in our is in years. So B2 into 12, and our principal is in, so we have to minus B1, and if we hit enter we get the monthly installment. So for if we have to apply it for all the values, just drag. Now we will save this worksheet in Excel file. Thank you for watching.